Welcome to 427, a Tesla certified facility. Why are we Tesla certified? Because we love fixing Teslas. Tesla has all this great technology, and you definitely need the training from Tesla and the equipment. So this car has technology of AI, self-driving. It's not totally approved, but it will be one day. And coming to a certified facility gives you the opportunity to make sure that your car is repaired right the first time. All the manufacturer warranties are maintained on the vehicle. We warranty the vehicle for life. We're completely connected. We buy the parts directly from Tesla. The advantage of going to a Tesla certified facility is to make sure that all the parts are available. Right now, we presently fix around 500 to 600 Teslas a year. So our staff, our technicians, our customer service are very familiar with the product, up-to-date training, technology, and equipment, which is always updated by Tesla, online training continually. You're in safe hand getting your vehicle fixed here, your Tesla fixed here.